Here's a quick video on this B38 3-cylinder BMW engine with the variable valve lift. Basically, to do these springs, you are going to need the special tool. I found this one on eBay for £160. Works a treat. Trust me, I've tried every way putting these back on, but the only way you're going to get these back on is if you have the proper tool for it, which looks like this. The way you use it is you open it up like so. You put your spring right here. Make sure you have it hooked in underneath there. It's got two little magnets to hold it in place as well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start turning it this way, and you're going to need to make sure that the spring sits in the grooves, because you don't want these to go flying. So as you're turning it, it just sort of sits in place. Make sure that that's in place, and then what you're going to do is you're going to pull back, and that lock right there is basically going to lock in place like so, and then you can let go now. And what you're going to do when you're fitting these springs is you got to make sure that the lobes on the camshaft are in a way that the intermediate rockers are actually loose, because the only way that these 2 points are going to fit in underneath is if you push these up, and then now the spring will be able to pass through there. And underneath there's a cutout for the spring to sit into. So if you look right there, that's where the end of the spring is, and you see those 2 little points. The spring sits in between those 2. Same on the other side. You need to make sure that both sides are in place. And how you're going to do that is basically you just put the spring in, make sure pops in place. You will kind of feel it pop into place, but you also, on the other side, gotta make sure that right there the spring sits in place like this. There's like a little cutout for it. Just going to fiddle around with it until you get it into the position. Also, you might need to turn the camshaft so the actual arm can clear this part right here. But what you'll do, it won't actually, when the spring is compressed, it won't actually reach the rocker. But what you just gotta do is you just got to line it up, so when you release the spring, it will seat into position. I don't know how well you can see it on here. It's quite hard to tell. And basically, once you have it lined up, you just compress these 2 and then push this lever up and slowly let this lever go up, just like that. That is sitting in the groove now. Gotta make sure it's sitting in the groove right here, and also in here as well. Might be easier to see on here. Right there. See how it's sitting in between the 2? That's all good.